Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making skillet chicken in spicy garlic tomato sauce. You know guys, sometimes simple is best. This chicken recipe uses ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. It's a simple dish to make, but such a tasty and satisfying meal. The recipe uses simple ingredients yet delivers maximum flavors. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. And for this recipe, we are going to use chicken thighs. We are going to season the chicken with salt, onion powder, paprika, and black pepper. Now thoroughly massage the spices into the chicken, cover with a plastic wrap, and let it marinate for 1 hour or longer. I like to marinate my chicken as much as 24 hours. I have the chicken marinated for 2 hours. Next, in a large skillet, heat vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken, skin side down. Pan sear each side of the chicken 4 to 5 minutes. Flip the chicken and continue to cook it for another 5 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and make the tomato sauce. In a blender, add chicken broth, we are also adding in tomatoes. I'm using Roma Tomatoes guys here. We're gonna also add in red onions, bell peppers, We are also adding in serrano to just give it a kick. We're gonna toss in garlic, tomato paste, cover and blend into completely puree. The tomato puree looks good. Now back to the stove. Remove the chicken from the pan, place it on a plate, then set aside. As you can see guys, we have a lot of chicken grease left in the pan. We're gonna discard 3/4 of the grease. Then to the remaining grease, we are going to add the tomato puree, then cook for about 10 minutes. We're gonna let this cook until the sauce has reduced to half. It's been 10 minutes. Now it's time to add the chicken to the sauce. It smells so good in here, guys. Season with salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. We are also adding in rosemary. Then stir everything together, cover with the lid, then turn the heat to medium low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. The chicken is ready to be served. I served it with rice and roasted vegetables. If you want to learn how to make roasted vegetables, guys, I will leave the link somewhere up here. Go check that video. You know what, guys? Every time I bring a delicious recipe, I'm going to ask for a favor. Like and don't forget to share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and be a part of this awesome family of Mama Buis. I'm aiming to reach 30K by the end of May, and I know we can do it, guys. Did you hear me right? We can do it. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.